I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on overlay screens, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to show notes on thread delete summary here. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here show notes on thread delete summary enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it, that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.